1. Mortgage. A mortgage is a loan provided by a bank or mortgage lender to finance the purchase of real estate. A mortgage is like signing up for a never-ending installment plan on your dream home. It's the ultimate long-term commitment, like getting a tattoo of your house on your wallet. You're in it for life. 2. Fixed-rate mortgage. A fixed-rate mortgage is a type of mortgage loan where the interest rate remains constant for the entire term of the loan. A fixed-rate mortgage is like the security blanket of real estate. It's warm, cozy, and never changes, no matter how much the market fluctuates. It's like getting a lifetime supply of ice cream at a fixed price, sweet, predictable, and oh so comforting. 3. Adjustable rate mortgage. ARM. An adjustable rate mortgage is a type of mortgage loan where the interest rate fluctuates periodically based on changes in a specified benchmark, such as the prime rate. An adjustable rate mortgage is like playing real estate roulette. You spin the wheel and hope for the best, but sometimes you end up with a lemon. 4. Property taxes. Property taxes are taxes levied by local governments on real estate properties based on their assessed value. Property taxes are like the annual membership fee for the homeowners club. You pay to play in the neighborhood sandbox. 5. Appraisal. An appraisal is an evaluation of a property's value conducted by a certified appraiser. An appraisal is like trying to put a price tag on a unicorn. It's magical, mysterious, and subject to interpretation. 6. Escrow. Escrow is a legal arrangement where a neutral third party holds funds or documents on behalf of buyers and sellers during a real estate transaction. Escrow is like having a referee in the real estate wrestling ring. They keep everyone in line and make sure nobody gets body slammed. 7. Home equity. Home equity is the difference between the current market value of a property and the outstanding balance on any mortgage loans secured by the property. Home equity is like the secret stash of cash hidden under your mattress. It's there when you need it, but you're not sure how it got there. It's like finding buried treasure in your backyard. Just watch out for the pirate ghosts. 8. Down payment. A down payment is a portion of the purchase price that a buyer pays up front when purchasing a property. A down payment is like the entrance fee to the real estate amusement park. You've got to pay to play on the roller coaster of homeownership. It's like putting a down payment on a slice of pizza. It's gone in a flash, but oh so worth it. 9. Closing costs. Closing costs are fees and expenses associated with finalizing a real estate transaction. Closing costs are like the surprise party at the end of the real estate marathon. You're exhausted, but there's cake waiting for you at the finish line. 10. Title insurance. Title insurance is a type of insurance policy that protects property owners and lenders against financial loss due to defects in the title or ownership of a property. Title insurance is like having a real estate superhero on your side. They swoop in and save the day when the title deed is under attack. It's like buying a magic shield to protect your castle from the evil title trolls. Just don't forget to pay the premium. 11. Homeowners Association. HOA. A homeowners association is a private organization that manages and maintains common areas and amenities in a residential community or condominium complex. A homeowners association is like the neighborhood police force. They patrol the streets and make sure nobody paints their house neon pink. 12. Amortization. Amortization is the process of paying off a debt, such as a mortgage loan, through regular payments over time. Amortization is like paying off your mortgage one tiny slice at a time. It's like eating an elephant one bite at a time, except the elephant is your mortgage, and it's made of money. 13. Pre-approval. Pre-approval is a preliminary evaluation of a borrower's creditworthiness and ability to qualify for a mortgage loan. Pre-approval is like getting a golden ticket to the real estate chocolate factory. It's your passport to the land of milk and honey, but don't forget to watch out for the Oompa Loompas. 14. Home inspection. A home inspection is a thorough examination of a property's condition conducted by a licensed home inspector. A home inspection is like inviting a detective to snoop around your house. It's like taking your house to the doctor for a checkup. Just hope they don't find any skeletons in the closet. 15. Earnest money. Earnest money, also known as a good faith deposit, is a sum of money provided by a buyer to demonstrate their serious intent to purchase a property. Earnest money is like putting a ring on it before you're ready to commit. It's a down payment on your future, but don't expect a diamond in return. It's like buying a lottery ticket to the real estate jackpot. You might win big, or you might end up with a handful of nothing. 16. Contingency. A contingency is a condition or requirement included in a purchase contract that must be met for the sale to proceed. A contingency is like having a plan B in your back pocket. It's your safety net in case the real estate tightrope snaps. It's like playing a game of real estate Jenga. You pull out one piece and the whole tower comes crashing down. Subscribe for more explained videos.